Hello friends, today we will discussing the types of statistical parameters. There are three types: location parameter, scale parameter and shape parameter. We use these parameters regularly, but some students do not understand the difference between them. So in this video I have tried to explain this difference. This video also discusses how to identify these parameters and their effect on distribution. So let us first we see what is a parameter. In the product distribution, parameter is a value that tells you something about a population or statistical model. It is a characteristic that can help in defining a particular model. The most common type of the parameters are location parameter, scale parameter and shape parameter. Now we can discuss the one by one. First one is the location parameter. This parameter decided to location of the distribution. It moves the distribution left to right or right to left in horizontal axis. Location parameters are found in the families with probability density function is to be f of x mu theta is equal to f of x minus mu 0 theta, where mu is the location parameter and other parameter is theta. Some of the families with location parameters are normal distribution, Cauchy distribution, logistic distribution, Laplace distribution and so many other families are there.
We illustrate the concept of location parameter using the normal distribution. We know that PDF of normal distribution with location parameter mu and scale parameter sigma is given by this. This is the PDF of normal distribution. Now let us see some sketches of normal distribution for different values of location parameter. Mu is equal to -1, 0 and 2 and fixed scale parameter sigma is equal to 1.5. Let us see what happened here. This is the first graph of location parameter mu is equal to -1. It is the symmetric about x equal to -1. Now we can change the location parameter as a 0. Then you can see that this is the graph of normal distribution with location parameter mu is equal to 0. Okay, this is symmetric about mu is equal to 0, means this graph is shift the location -1 to 0. Similarly, if you can take the value mu is equal to 2, then you can see that this is the graph of the normal distribution for mu is equal to 2. This is symmetric about x is equal to 2. This is the actually effect of the location parameter. If we can change the location parameter as a -1, 0, 2, then the graph changes their locations. From this we can observe that the curve is shifted from left to right when location parameter mu is increased. That is, location parameter affect the location of the graph. These all three graphs are identical and symmetric, but their locations are different.
Now we can discuss the scale parameter. This scale parameter is decided to scale or statistical dispersion of the probability distribution. If values of scale parameter is large, then distribution is more spread out or more stretched, and value of the scale parameter is small, then distribution is concentrated or compressed. Scale parameter is found in the families of distribution with probability density function is to be f of x sigma theta is equal to 1 upon sigma f of x by sigma 1 theta. where sigma is the scale parameter. Okay, these are the some families having a scale parameter: exponential distribution, gamma distribution, normal distribution, logistic distribution, and Cauchy distribution, and some other also some families with the scale parameter. Now we can illustrate this again. We can take the normal distribution. Here sigma is the scale parameter, here mu is the location parameter, but sigma is the scale parameter. And you can observe that the sketches of the normal distribution for different values of the scale parameter sigma with fixed location parameter mu is equal to -2. We can see that here fixed mu is equal to -2, and we have to change the values of the scale parameter sigma to 1 and 0.5. You can observe that when sigma is small, the curve is compressed, and if sigma is large, then this curve is elongated or spread out, stretched. Okay, so in this way, this parameter, scale parameter sigma, is affect the curve, scale of the curve. It is a symmetric. There is no change in location, but change in a scale. So this is the actually scale parameter. Another example of the scale parameter, we have to see here the gamma distribution. This is the gamma PDF of the gamma distribution with the parameter theta. Theta is the scale parameter, and here n is the shape parameter. We can write this the PDF of beta distribution 1 upon theta raised to n in this way. But sometimes we can write as 1 by theta as a beta. Then this beta is called as the rate parameter, not a scale parameter. And the PDF of gamma distribution is in this fashion. If we can write this is the PDF of gamma distribution, then this beta is the rate parameter, and 1 by theta, then this form, in this form the theta is the scale parameter. Now we can see the sketches with the fixed value of shape parameter is equal to 2. What we can see here, this is the theta is equal to 1, theta is equal to 1.5, and theta is equal to 2, means we can change the scale parameter 1 to 2. We can observe that the scale is different, mean here the curve is concentrated, and for the theta is large, the scale, the curve is spread out, means it is the stretched. Okay, this is the role of the scale parameter in the distribution theory. Now we can see the shape parameter. This parameter affects the general shape of the periodic distribution. Shape parameter is a parameter of the distribution, is neither scale nor location parameter. Skewness and cutoff of the distribution is dependent on the shape parameter. It is not necessary that all distribution will have a shape parameter. The distribution without shape parameter has fixed shape, and these are the some examples of the families with shape parameter is the beta distribution, gamma distribution, log normal distribution, log logistic distribution, Weibull distribution, and student t distribution. Okay, we have to illustrate this using the beta distribution of first kind. This is the PDF of beta distribution of first kind, and we know that these two parameters m and n both are the shape parameters in this family. Now we can see the sketches of this changing the shape parameter m and n. Here we can draw these sketches for fixing a m is equal to 2 and changing the n as a 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Means if this curve is for n is equal to 10, this is the n is equal to 8, and n is equal to 6. In this way, we can see that when n changes, the first curve is a positively skewed distribution. But if we have to change the n, this curve goes to the symmetric distributions. Means the shape of the curve is changes when the shape parameter is changes. Similarly, we can see here n is fixed, and we have to change the m. We have to take the values of the m2, 4, 6 in this way. If n to m2, this is the symmetry, and if m increases, the distribution goes to the negatively skewed, means symmetric to negatively skewed. This is the effect of the shape parameter on the distribution. It changes the shape of the distribution. If we can change both m and n simultaneously, here we can change the different pairs of m and n values, then you can see that the shapes of these all curves are different, means the shape parameter affect the general shape of the distribution. We take another example of the gamma distribution also. Here gamma distribution, n is the shape parameter, and if you have to change the shape parameter, again you can see that this is the positively skewed distribution. It goes to the near about symmetric when we have to change the shape parameter. Okay. One remark is that some continuous distributions do not have a shape parameter, so their shape is fixed and only their location and or their scale or both can change. It follows that skewness and kurtosis of these distributions are constant. That is, skewness and kurtosis are independent of location and scale parameter. For example, normal, exponential, logistic, uniform, you can see that the measures of skewness and measures of kurtosis are constant because of there is the absence of shape parameter. Therefore, these measures of skewness and measures of kurtosis are constant. These are the some distributions I have summarized here, and given the location parameter, scale parameter and shape parameter. These are the location and shape parameter: normal, Cauchy, exponential, logistic, Laplace, uniform, all are the location parameter and scale parameter. These distributions are scale and shape parameter. This gamma, Weibull, Pareto, this distribution with a scale parameter and shape parameter. But the log normal distribution as a location parameter and shape parameter. And these are the distributions having only shape parameter. The beta distribution of first kind, beta distribution of second kind, and T distribution have only the shape parameter. There is no scale and no location parameter. Okay. Okay, this is some videos on YouTube: permutation, combination, harmonic mean, percentile, histogram overview, finding day from any date. This is my website is given here, blog and email. If you have any query, then please contact me on these sources. Thank you very much.